Welcome to the special face flip. Today we are going to be opening up the Dark Powers EX Special Collection box again, but this one was donated by Regan Rice, which I will send all his information boop, boop, over here. So let's get started. We have an Absol EX over here and a favorite of mine, Gengar EX. So here we go. Struggle to open this box. We have our special promo card, our Absol EX here, sitting on top. I'll put him over here. And with his side, we had a Twilight Masquerade, Temporal Forces, and a Paradox Rift. We also have our Giant Banette EX card. Absolutely gorgeous. We love it. I love these giant cards. They're super pretty. Oops. And on this side we have our promo Gengar EX card as well. And on this side, we have a Paldea Evolved and a Twilight Masquerade. Am I missing one? Oh, yes, it does come with 5. I was thinking it came with 6, so here we go. All right, we'll put our Twilight Masquerades together. And then we have 3 randoms. So let's do our Twilight Masquerade first here. See what we get. So I really don't remember the card tricks on all of them. So we're just gonna do the basic one I know here. Oh, we did it right. Okay. Have our basic energy right on top. We have a Chansey, Tangela, a Clefairy, Shinx, Rayfort Trainer, Palafin, Chiyu, Sunflora, Corphish, Reverse Hollow Corphish, and a Hollow Infernape. He's pretty cool. I really like the hollow effect on the moon. That's really neat. So I'll put those up top, put these to the side. Our second Twilight Masquerade set. Oh, they really got much first one. This one's gonna get me. Our basic energy. We have a Trevenant, a Molga, Frogadier, Ilmice, Jammy Tower Trainer. Oh my god, hubby's gonna be super excited about this one. Oh, we have a Glaceon. Oh, I have to set that aside for him. He's gonna be super excited. We have a Dipplin, a Reverse Hollow Tangela, Reverse Hollow Varoom. Ooh, and a Hollow Zapdos. It's pretty neat. So these are Masquerade ones. Put these aside. We will move on to our Paldea Evolved. Let's see what we got. I keep thinking I have like a trick to these, and I kind of have it down, but I still need a lot of practice. I know this is a lot easier opening it from the bottom. Oh my goodness. But I do have little mess ups like that. Okay, we have our our Basic Fire Energy. Ooh, that looked pretty. Don't get too excited. We have a Watchel, a Tinkatink, a Cutie Pie, a Shrew-Doll, a Clement, Mousehold, Cetitan, a Corviknight. He's pretty neat. Honchkrow. Honchkrow. Oh, that's a reverse holo. Neat. Reverse holo Nacli. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Sorry if I didn't. Oh my god. Oh, beautiful. We have a Lycanroc EX. Again, so sorry if I mispronounced that, but that evolves from Rockruff. He looks so awesome. Super excited about that pull. Obviously, I love EX pulls, full art pulls, and obviously the big hitters. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, we'll move on to Paradox Thrift for our next one. So we can do here. Some trick work. Okay. There we go. I love when it glides down the center like that. It's great ASMR. Okay, we have our Basic Fire Energy. We have a Blipbug, Fuecoco, Snorunt, Homage, Dondozo, Chantal Trainer, a Garbodor, Reverse Holo Dwebble, Reverse Holo Miltank. I know some people are huge Miltank fans. And we have a Holo Zacian, I think that is. It's pretty neat looking, liking the art there. And for our last pack, we have our Temporal Forces. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. Oh, beautiful noise too. Couldn't be happier with that last year. Okay, our Basic Energy. We have a Wiglet, Seedot. Oh, I love the knitted art ones. I don't know why, something about them I absolutely love. An Arbok. I think I need him for my personal collection, actually. We have a Totodile, Cinccino, Great Tusk, Ancient. Those Ancient and Future cards are really cool. That's neat. Morty's Conviction Trainer. We have a Reverse Holo Wiglet. That matches the beginning one we pulled. Reverse Holo Meltan, and we have an Iron Valiant Future Holo card. So I don't think we had any crazy pulls here, but we have a lot of really neat cards that I have not pulled before, and I definitely have never gotten a Lycanroc EX card, so he's pretty cool, and I know hubby will be super excited about Glaceon. So again, huge shout out to Rican Rice. Thank you. Couldn't have done this one without you.